Alright, so today is Saturday. I'm venturing out to a new part of Johannesburg. I think this city is called Clearwater. I'm here at Clearwater Mall. Looks like a real beautiful area. If you live in Texas, this area reminds me of Frisco, Texas. The houses look the same, the yards, everything. So we're gonna check and see how this mall looks and see what other type of events and stuff they have here. How you doing? Now, one thing I can say about South Africa so far, they make really big malls here. Like the people here like to go to malls. They like to hang out. So we're gonna see how this mall looks, what's all here. Just from first glimpse, it's reminding me, it's giving me a mix of Mall of Africa vibes and Mainland Mall in Pretoria. Oh wow, that's nice. So I am excited that it's about to be Christmas time here. See, saw a few places have Christmas lights and things, so we're gonna do footage of that. Do footage of some of the Christmas lights here. See what are the activities they do here, because it does look like Christmas is a big thing out here. Woolies. Oh, we got nice African stuff. Okay, this is a nice size mall. Have a little bit of everything here. Okay, cool. Let me see. I don't know if you can see these glasses here. How you doing? That is real cool. The little frost tip design glasses. You get some really good art stuff here in South Africa. Now, when I say South Africa, I'm only talking for Johannesburg, since it's the only city I know right now. But really beautiful stuff here. How you doing today? Then here's Christmas stuff on this side. Like I told you, Christmas does seem like to be a real big thing here in Joburg. So I'm excited to see how that's gonna go. Hey, how's it going, boss? Cool, nice stuff. See what other stuff we find around here. So this mall here is about, I think it was like a 30-minute drive from where I live in CBD. Okay, there's Taste of Cannabis. Blades and triggers. So they do have, if you're into hunting, they have compound bows here from what I see. Airsoft guns. Okay, real cool stuff here. So hunting is a big thing here in Joburg. They have crossbows. Hey, how's it going, boss? Real nice. And from what I heard talking to people, the wildlife isn't an issue here. If you watch the video of the guy at the Art Expo, who owns the Art Expo, he was telling me he grew up about 5 miles away from a nature reserve, and he has never had problems there, and he says real safe, everything's cool. Now it is Black Friday here. They do have that. That's just like the U.S. So far, I haven't found a country yet that doesn't have Black Friday. This is a really nice mall. Man, iPhone people, boy. Apple has to be one of the best marketers in the world. Okay, Computer Mania. You know, I like that store. I bought a power bank from them, which was really good. Okay, this is a big mall, man. I thought I was coming to a small mall. This is a huge mall right here. Yes, they do have Starbucks here. If you're a Starbucks drinker, let's see. Oh, there's an outdoor area. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, this might be. Let's see. This might be outside. Let's just check it out. Okay, looks like a little outdoor sitting area. They have Simply Asian food, ocean basket. Got a water fountain out here. Okay, this is a nice area. It's nice to sit outside. And this here is Clearwater Mall. So this is my first time at this one. Get you a shot of the fountain so you can see it. Here's the outdoor areas. I really get family-friendly vibes at this mall. Now I will say, from riding up here, this mall, this area gives me family vibes. So like if you're a person with kids, wife, this might be a perfect spot for you compared to being in the heart of Josie, like where I'm at. Let's walk around some more. We'll go to that outside area. Oh shit, it's more than one level. Okay, this is a bed. So this mall is way bigger than I was expecting. got a little bit of everything here. Rugs, clothes, furniture, electronics. One thing I will say about here in Johannesburg, the people do come out and shop for Black Friday. So yesterday I was at Benmore Mall, I think, and there I was donating some gifts for kids, and one of the gifts I was going to get, the dude told me they sold 1,800 of them in 30 minutes. Let me go inside Pick and Pay real quick.